Alright, good morning everyone. In this video I am going to show you how to set up your CS50 environment within the Visual Studio Code desktop application. In order for us to continue on with this, we first need to install the desktop application itself. It can be found from this URL. This is code.visualstudio.com. And once you've installed it, you should have a desktop icon on your desktop. So, going to step 2, we have to go to the URL you will normally use for accessing the web environment. In this matter, make sure that you check this on. So have it checked off. Log in via GitHub, and it will automatically detect if you have Visual Studio Code on your desktop. So open Visual Studio Code. It will now ask you if it is okay to install an extension which is needed to run the code space in your own environment. So install the extension, and after that open it up. Should be done pretty quickly. And the next step is signing in. So this means signing in with your GitHub account. Allow it, and a new environment will pop up, and open it up again. Alright, well, in my case it automatically signed in with my email, but it can happen that you will need to authenticate yourself in a web environment. So if that is the case, it should be fine. It might take a little while to load up, so I'll be right back. Alright, and as you can see, the environment you will normally access through the web application is now available in your own Visual Studio Code desktop application. So I hope this will make it all clear. If you do have any questions, please make sure to notify us. Alright, well, thanks for watching, and see you later, guys.